Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How Logical YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can Shazam a TikTok song, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to open the settings, and now you will be able to see the interface on in the screen where you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the control center. So once you find it, which is at the bottom of this general option, simply tap on that option and now you will be redirected to the control center section where you can see the music recognition at the bottom of this screen. So let me remove it first to show you a demo from the scratch. Now you need to scroll a little bit down and you can see the music recognition on in the screen. Simply tap on the plus icon and now you will be able to add your music recognition or Shazam to your control panel successfully. So you can also adjust your position by tapping on the three lines, and if you want to access it, what you need to do is you simply need to slide it from the top right corner of your screen, and you can see the Shazam icon at the bottom right corner of this control panel. So let's get to the TikTok, and now you simply need to slide it again, and you can see once you tap on it, you'll be able to access it. And if you tap on it again, you'll be able to turn it off. So basically this is how you can Shazam a TikTok song, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.